Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Copper CRM tracking reports for campaigns. Start by logging into your Copper CRM account. Once on the dashboard, navigate to the Reports section. Look for the tracking reports specifically related to your campaigns. Select the campaign you want to verify from the list. Open the report to view the details of the tracking metrics. Check the date range at the top of the report to ensure it aligns with your campaign timeline. Review the key performance indicators listed in the report. Focus on metrics such as opens, clicks, and conversions. Cross-reference these metrics with the goals you set for the campaign. Identify any discrepancies or issues that may appear in the data. If you notice any anomalies, consider adjusting your tracking settings. Ensure that your campaign links are correctly tagged for accurate tracking. Review individual engagement to understand user interactions better. Make a note of any trends you observe in the data. Use these insights to inform future campaign strategies. Once you have verified the data, document your findings. Share your report with relevant team members for further analysis. This process will help ensure the accuracy of your tracking reports in Copper CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.